In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter U. The capital letter U is written like this. It starts with a vertical line from the top and curves at the bottom to go back up to reach the top. A small letter U is also written in a similar way, but ends with a straight line like that. Let's see that again. A capital U, a small letter U. Let's learn the phonetic sound of the letter U. The letter U makes the sound a, as in umbrella. That is a beautiful umbrella. As in unlock. Never leave your car doors unlocked in the car park. As in underwater. A walk through an underwater tunnel is an amazing experience. As in up. He climbed up the tree to his treehouse. As in umpire. The umpire ruled the batsman out. Let's look at all the words one more time. Umbrella, unlock, underwater, up. Wonderful!